Okay, somebody has been influenced by a third party, and this person has maybe made them separate from you. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, this person's been very confused and they've ended up sticking with a third party or staying in the place where they are instead of being with you, and now they feel broken about this. Okay, they've made a mistake. They feel as though they've been faking it with this person, and maybe this third party's also been faking it. This third party's got an obsession. Okay, it's not very healthy. It's kind of an infatuation or an addiction. Maybe she or he is codependent on this other person. But whatever's going on here is fake. Okay, and your person has realised that they've chosen the wrong path. It could be that person, said that things were going to be different this time, it's going to work out, and so your person stayed. It just shows during this separation, you've had chance to kind of focus on yourself. But yeah, they are kind of regretting this, and it just shows here you're in a whole new phase of life. You've kind of renewed, grown, changed, and moved forward. And this person's in heartbreak now because of this. They feel as though they don't know how to find a way back to you. They're longing for you, craving you, and there's nothing they can do about it. They're stuck in a situation. They are being served karma. Okay, that's what's happening here. The consequences and the cause of effect of what they have done. They have some karmic debt that they need to deal with. They want to come forward. They want to tell you that they've messed up. They know they've messed up. They want to confess how they feel. They want to express everything that's been going on, but they can't because the person that they're with is effectively stalking them. So they're having a very close eye kept on them. Every move they make, everything they do, they're being watched. So the situation that they're in is very unhealthy, very toxic, very difficult. There could have been something that relates to May with this connection. It could be birthdays, yours, theirs, the other person, or it could be a breakup or a coming together that happened. There's also something significant about this winter coming with this person. I feel like you've been in a position where you've been healing, and your person sabotaged this and left you no option but to take the path of healing. And so that person kind of had to be released, and that's what you did. Maybe they left you no option where you thought, okay, they don't want me, they've chosen somebody else, so I need to move on. And as difficult as that may have been to let go, you've tried to do that. They're actually saying here you may have dodged a bullet with this one. I don't feel like it's necessarily your person that would have been the bullet. I think it's the third party. Very, very toxic energy, okay? And I don't feel like they're going away. So even if this person is to leave them and come to you, I feel like you've got a whole lot of drama coming with that. Now, you might be okay with that. Your person's interested in you, cares about the emotions are there. But there's a lot of clarity and truth that needs to be found in order for you to kind of be able to move forward in a healthy way with this person. Interesting, it shows you now have options. So you may have somebody new. There's no reason why you wouldn't if they've chosen somebody else over you. And they're just saying keep those options open, even if you do let this person come back in, okay? There's lots of months coming out. We've got May, we've got March, we've got the winter time. So this could have been going on for a period of time where lots has happened. Your person's feeling guilt for how they've treated you during this, and there's a hell of a lot of truth coming out. We've had that 3 different times now, 3 different cards. So this person wants to tell you the truth. They want to talk to you. They want to express why they moved away, what the reasonings were, what's going on, and they want to know, is there any possibilities for us moving forward? Is there anything we can do? This person has responsibilities. So whether they have children, whether they're married, whether it's a business connection, something is keeping that person where they are. And as much as they're regretting the decision, you have to be careful here that they could still be tied to the past. But no two ways about it. They're going to express and they're going to tell you the truth. And once you have the inside scoop on what's been going on, you can make your decision.